everybody, welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel. What's with all the straws?
Yeah, we got lots of straws.
Yeah.
We have a pan. I have a cup of water, some markers, some napkins that are rolled up and scrunched really tight. So we're going to actually make this grow. Okay, but it's on the straw, but let's take it off the straw.
So just like you'll pull the straw and I'll pull him off?
Yep. So
Oh, and I see he's got a little face.
Yeah,
all right,
so
cool.
that's our worm. So let's...
A worm?
Yeah. And we're going to watch the worm
I don't know if I like worms.
grow. Yeah,
Okay.
they're okay.
Well, he wants to roll around.
I know.
Okay, so now what do I do with him?
Okay, so now we're going to put some water. I got a pipette here.
Okay.
I'm going to...
If I don't have a pipette, can I do the old school?
You sure can.
Put the straw in the water
and hold the water.
then hold the end and then pull it out. Okay.
You can. So, let's see this grow.
Oh, that's cool. He's
Yes.
moving.
Yes. Oh, and it flipped over. It's
Yup.
probably going to turn into a cocoon. What do you think?
Well, hopefully he's a butterfly and not a moth.
True.
That is so cool. How did you do that?
It's very simple.
I mean, I saw you had him on the straw, but how do you get him on the straw?
I did. So I just got some paper towels, like one
Like
paper
regular
towel.
paper towel?
Where I
Okay.
cut it in half because paper towels are very big, right?
Right.
And then I just drew some lines. I used
Okay.
one of the markers.
Okay.
Why don't you just use that? And I drew some lines on it, and then I just rolled it.
Oh, okay. So
Um,
I can draw like
you
any
can draw
lines I
any lines.
want.
You don't have to put a face on it. Mine has no face. You can't see it though because it
So
flipped over.
I could draw more lines or less lines.
You
or
can.
whatever.
You want to do different colors? You can. Here's an orange.
Gotcha.
How about you use an orange?
I'll do orange. Black and
Okay.
orange. Maybe I'll get lucky and it'll be a monarch worm.
Maybe. And you just roll it. And you want to roll it a little tight on the straw.
And so I can use any
You can
straw,
use any
right?
straw. Mine's
Okay.
is a little bit bigger than yours, but it
That's
works. It works. And roll it. And then you want to scrunch it from the top. I'm just going to scrunch it really tight.
Like that.
Yep. If you
Okay.
think it's a little bit too much, you can make the paper towel smaller, but
Okay.
I like my worms pretty big.
Fat worms.
Fat worms, that means they're ready.
Roger.
Okay.
Roger.
So you have a straw. You wanna
Yeah.
use the
I'm
water.
gonna
that
use
way?
the straw, put the straw in the
Yeah.
water, and then put my finger over the top of the straw,
Yep.
and then pull the straw, and then
Yeah.
there should be a little bit of water in there. Let's see if I did it right.
I don't know if you remember doing this. I remember doing this when I was younger.
I
Another
may or may not
straw.
have done this with
Yeah.
like when you still got straws and like the
Mhm, with
paper,
their
and I
paper on
may or
it,
may
yep.
not have gotten fruit punch everywhere.
Exactly.
This is actually pretty cool, and it's so simple too. I think maybe I'll make a smaller paper towel next time. But guys,
Yeah.
if you like this activity as much as I did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, make sure you subscribe for more Hands on Science. We'll see you next time.
Bye.